Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Netflix application on MacBook. Since there is no official application for Netflix in the App Store, we'll have to do things a little bit different. So in this case, we just have to open a web browser and then enter the official Netflix web address into the address field. So netflix.com, and then what we're gonna have to do is select the address of this page and then hold your the left key of your mouse on the name of this page and then drag it to your desktop. This will make this file appear in here, and this file will basically transfer you to the Netflix website. Now we will also want to have some sort of an icon to make this file more intuitive, and the icons can be downloaded. All the icons basically can be downloaded from macOSicons.com website. All you have to do is just open it, and then once you open it, open the search field and search for Netflix. And once you find the design that you like on this page, select it, then click download. And once the file is downloaded, let's close the browser, and now let's go to the Finder and let's open Downloads folder in here, and let's drag this icon to our desktop. Next, we're gonna have to right click or secondary click our file and select Get Info, then grab your icon and drag it to the left right corner of this window. So basically hover it over the original icon like this, and this will change our application's icon to Netflix. Then we can also change the name of the icon in this menu. So instead of this name, let's simply input Netflix, press enter, and let's leave the extension. So let's Netflix Weblock. Okay, and now let's basically drag this icon to our apps panel right here. And now whenever you click on Netflix, it will open the official Netflix page in your browser. And that's how you can use Netflix app, though unofficial one, but still on your MacBook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.